Fog, dense fog, will be coming in this evening. Take a look right now at your Rockport Skycam, where you've got 73 degrees, a southeast wind at 13 miles an hour, and you look out over the water, you see some fog beginning to roll in, and you see that in the distance there, and your downtown Corpus Christi camera there. There was 1/100th of an inch of rain earlier today, but we're looking at gusty south-southeast wind at 21 miles an hour. It did lift our afternoon temperature finally up to 80 degrees after that mild morning low of 64. And once again, 1/100th of an inch of rain, peak wind at 26 miles an hour. Here's the big picture on the satellite radar loop, and what you're seeing is not much on radar, but a whole lot on satellite. Lots of cloud cover out there, beginning to erode from the west, but it will back up, and in other words, move back to the west of that fog, and low clouds rolls in from the ocean this evening. In fact, that's going to drop visibilities way on down as early as about 9 p.m. We're going to be zero visibility in many locations. Temperatures, oh, look at the temperatures across the state, 70s and 80s, very, very warm out there, and even 90 degrees there in Laredo, but cooler air is on the way, specifically much, much drier air. Temperatures right now from around 70 into the middle 80s, and we're going to see morning lows only around 71 or 72 degrees. Just not going to change very much, so a very mild night. But look at the highs tomorrow as that really dry air comes in. We'll be pushing 90 degrees over much of the area. Huge change. Here comes that change. There's that front come through here, and you call it a cold front, but what happens is the dry air and clear skies allows for rapid heating, and so what we're going to end up with is near record high temperatures tomorrow because of this exceedingly dry air. Look how moist it is tonight, 97, 98% humidity. Here comes that front tomorrow morning, and incredibly dry air. Look at the relative humidities down around 4 or 5% in the areas just west of Corpus Christi, so be ready for that. That front will be blasting through here. It will have a thin band of showers and maybe even a rumble or two or thunder with it, but we're not looking at big-time rain out there. Unfortunately, the system is very fast-moving, and we're going to have several days after that where it's just beautiful weather. Finally, by early next week, another chance of rain comes in, say about early Tuesday morning. How much rain are we talking about? Well, check it out. Swift moving system through here by mid to late morning, and only about 1/3 of an inch at the most. Once again, yeah, you got the fire weather warning after that front comes through here in much of the area, specifically Corpus Christi points west. After a morning low in the lower 70s, upper 80s tomorrow, and then after that, looking beautiful for the rest of the week. Katya?
Can't wait for that. All right.